So part of our impact project, we did a Marngrook tournament, which is an Indigenous game that they used to play. And so what we wanted to do was to try and bring people together to connect with our culture. And we wanted to run those tournaments so people could just kind of learn what Indigenous people do. I learned a lot. We learned how to play. We had to go through like a really long page. There was lots and lots of pages of telling us how to play it. Yeah, we just learned a lot about more about our culture. So we had to, of course, plan how many people, teams, food, because we were providing for quite a big number of people that day. We were trying to get the elders around in Wodonga to come and get involved. No one really wins in the game, but we just, it's all based on like fairness and how everyone plays and teamwork and all that. It wasn't just our GP class, there was other people from around the school, so it's good to know that other people wanted to come in and get involved, and learn about Indigenous culture. Next year we're hoping to kind of play it towards the start of the term, so we have like more schools that can kind of come in and learn as well, and we'll have some new people in our class so we can teach them, and then hopefully it will be an ongoing thing.